Welcome to the presentation of the automated food washing machine, an innovative and sustainable solution to simplify food hygiene. Designed by Group 70, consisting of 12 students, this machine is helpful for all people, especially those individuals with mobility challenges. It aligns with sustainable development goals such as good health and well-being, affordable and clean energy, and sustainable cities and communities. The cleaning process is automated and efficient. First, water splashes onto the feet to rinse off dirt. Next, soap is dispensed evenly, followed by the gentle scrubbing action of rotating brushes. Finally, the machine rinses the feet with water again, leaving them clean and fresh. All of this is powered by an Arduino microcontroller, MOSFETs, pumps, and DC motors. All housed within a sturdy body that we designed and built ourselves. The automated food washing machine by Group 70 is more than just a convenience. It is a step toward innovation and sustainability. The machine is energy efficient, using minimal water and power, making it eco-friendly and affordable. By promoting sustainable hygiene practices, this machine supports global health and environmental goals. With its user-centric design and sustainable technology, it is ready to make an impact. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your support in bringing this solution to more people.